here we have a 1923 Ford T-Bucket, as they're known. Old school hot rod action. This one is a glass body, powered by a Chevy 350 small block, and that is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. As you can see, HEI ignition, has a Wieland intake, Holley carburetor. Nice sounding of those pipes coming out the sides. Got a little bit of a cam to it. We'll fire it up so you can hear it in a little bit here too. Riding on aluminum slots. For that old school hot rod look. You can see it does have turn signals, blinkers up front and in the rear, and they do work. I'm going to show you a little something about the lighting when I get around to the back too. Kind of a nice way to have it set up in a T-Bucket for brakes and turn signals. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, interior, check out the pictures of the engine close up. You can take your time and look at it. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website listing. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Kind of a darker raspberry color, I would say, burgundy to raspberry color. Kind of cool look on it with the flat black air cleaner valve covers. You can see the windshield will flip up. Newer gauge cluster here. Gauges do work. B&M shifter hooked up to that turbo 350. Nice vinyl interior. Mickey Thompson 50s in the back here. Fuel cell also located in the rear. Now what I was going to show you about the lighting, this is an LED style light around here that will light up. Blinkers will go left or blinkers will go right, depending on what signal you want to indicate is also in there, as well as brake lights. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. It's T-Buckets. We do sell a few of these each year. Still kind of that old school hot rod look. It's fun for parades, having a little fun around town. Maybe don't go in to get a little ice cream. Still see them in parades quite a bit. Now, of course, you have the one door on the other side, and that will pop open. You can climb in from that side to get into the driver's side easier. Otherwise, you'll see a lot of people that will step over into the T-Bucket itself. I'm going to reach in and start it up, show you what does what here. Now, ignition key is down where your left foot would be, right there. You can see your key tag. So what I'm going to do is these two switches. This, I believe, initiates the ignition. That one there is a fuel pump. Let's go ahead and fire this up.